Savings, welcome for another video. So, ang di-discuss pala natin in this video is latest product offering ni CIMB, which is time deposit. So, napakaganda nito. Max save, interest earn up to 7.5. Bakit up to? Kasi nag-i-start siya sa 6.5, 7, and 7.5. Honest review, all you need to know regarding sa latest product nila. And then, yung time deposit, pagdating sa mga new player natin na digital bank and commercial bank is hindi na siya bago. Before, meron ng Tonic and then meron ng Uno. So, kung interested ka sa ganitong content about time deposit, savings, and pag-iipon, so this video is for you. So, start na tayo. So, just to gain trust muna regarding sa time deposit ng mga digital bank natin or commercial bank kasi si CIMB, pero yung business model niya is digital bank. So, sample lang, just to gain trust again. So, yung kay Tonic, naka-apat na term na tayo. So, imagine, nagantay lang tayo at napakabilis naman ng oras, hindi mo mamamalayan. So, naka-apat na term na tayo. So, magto 2 years na tayo this 2024. So, almost 10,000 na rin yung interest na na-earn natin. Wherein kay Uno naman, nakadalawang term na rin tayo. Isang 6 months, saka isang 1 year itong pinasok natin. So, nasa 9,000 na rin yung interest natin so far. Hindi pa tapos yung term natin kay time deposit. So, kumikita tayo dyan na 800 or 900 plus per month. So, easy money yan. So, imagine, ilagay mo lang yung hard-earned money mo. So, kikita ng ganyan. So, better than nothing. So, better than traditional bank. So, kapag nagalagay ka ng ganyan pera sa traditional bank, nasa 30 pesos lang siguro or nasa 10 to 15 pesos monthly. But imagine dyan, sample kay Uno, nasa right side, nasa 800 to 900. So, times. So, sayang. So, yun lang. Kaya natin finiture to sa mga hindi pa ganong nagtatrust sa mga new player na banks natin dito sa Pilipinas. So, may pera talaga sa mga new player natin. So, nasa sa atin na yun. Kung halimbawa hindi pa kayo nagde-deposit, hindi pa kayo nagka-create ng mga time deposit or mga normal deposit account, sayang yung mga nawawalang pera. So, yun. So, balik tayo kay CIMB. So, ito yung ano nila. So, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. So, ang difference naman niya kay Tonic, may 6 months to 2 years, and then kay Uno Digital Bank naman may 3 months to 2 years. So, dito tatlo lang pagpipilian mo, 6, 12, and 24. So, sa 6.5 na 6, I think better si Uno na lang. Kasi kay Uno may 3 months to 6 months, may 3 months to 12 months. But again, kung gusto mo i-try si CIMB, so better din. Ako magta-try ako nitong 12 months, which is 7%. Yung 24 months, hindi ko sure kung worth it ba to, kasi 0.5 lang yung madadagdag Tapos, may stock yung pera mo ng 24 months. Better is, kung gusto mo talaga siya i-try yung 7 or 24, mag-auto-renew ka na lang pagdating ng 12 months. Hindi rin naman ganun kalakihan yung 0.5%. Lalo na kung hindi ganun kalaki yung ilalagay nyo. Maximum is 1 million pala. So, nakalagay dito. Open an account with only 10,000. Minimum to maximum is 1 million deposit. So, start na tayo. So, ito pala yung 6.5, 7, and 7.5 kapag nilagas natin yung tax. Yung 6.5 magiging 5.20, yung 7 magiging 5.60, and yung 7.5 magiging 6. So, mataas na to mga savings, itong 6, 5.6, and 5.2. So, in case magka-create tayo, papasok tayo sa 5.60. So, mataas na rin yan mga ka-savings. So, hindi mo na rin mapupulot yung 5%. So, mas malaki pa yan sa mga ibang vehicle ngayon na pagdating sa mga banks. So, ito, start na tayo. So, benefits is maximize earning, discover the advantage of long-term savings, enjoy highest interest rate at 7.5% when you choose to keep your fund for longer. So, ang tip ko lang dito mga savings, basta huwag kayong mag-open ng time deposit kung wala kayong extra money or emergency fund. So, pwede nyo na mailagay yung emergency fund nyo dito, basta pwede siguro half-half. Kasi, ang tendency niya, nakalock talaga yung pera nyo for 6, 12, or 24 months So, kapag wala kayong extra money, may chances talaga na withdrawin nyo siya. So, better put it in a normal account na lang. Total, si CIMB naman minsan is mas malaki pa. May 12 to 15% nga sila. So, yun. Choose your interest rate, define your term. Yun nga, yung 6, 12, and 24. Have as many account for each of your saving goals. So, up to 5 yan. So, dito na tayo. So, what is Max Save Time Deposit Account? So, a Max Save Time Deposit Account is a lock-in saving account that earn you higher interest rate compared to a regular savings account. And then, who are eligible to open a Max Save Time Deposit Account? Here are the eligibility requirements. So, must be an existing depositor. Must be fully verified. So, kailangan verified yung account. Must have an access to CIMB mobile app. So, kung mag-open kayo via internet based dito sa facts and terms nila, so hindi siya mau-open sa online. So, dapat mobile app. What are the available terms? So, nabanggit na rin to kanina, 6, 12, and 24. How many time deposit? 5 yan. What is the minimum and maximum? Nabanggit ko na rin kanina, 10 is the minimum, and then the maximum is 1 million. So, where I can get the interest amount earned for my Max Save Time Deposit Account. So, upon maturity siya mga ka-saving. So, hindi siya tulad kay Uno. So, sample si Tonic, upon maturity, si Uno makakapili ka kung monthly or upon maturity. Dito, ang option mo lang is upon maturity. And then, what is the cooling off time period? So, ganito, kapag nag-create kayo sample, today, after 2 days, meron pa kayong option to cancel. So, ganun kadalasan nangyayari talaga. Hindi ko maintindihan mga ka-saves kung ba't ganun. Kapag nag-deposit ka ng time deposit lagi, after mo mag-create and then may darating na issue or scenario na kailangan mo withdrawin yung pera. So, meron kayong cooling off na 2 days. So, 2 days, after nun, wala kayong babayaran. After nun 2 days, so meron na mga fees, i-discuss din natin later kung ano-ano yung mga fees. So, can I pre-terminate or cancel my Max Save Time Deposit account before maturity date? Yes, pre-termination of or cancellation of your Max Save Time Deposit account before the maturity date is allowed. However, fees and penalty shall apply if you cancel beyond the cooling off period. So, di-discuss natin yan later yung mga fees. What is the certificate of deposit and the Max Save Time Deposit? Certification of deposit, CD, is a saving certificate issued by the bank serving as proof of deposit with fixed maturity date and an agree upon interest rate between the banks and depositor. Maganda tong certificate of deposit. Napaka-importante nito kapag mag-claim ng PDIC. So, sana wag naman. And hopefully, hindi talaga. Never for CIMB sana. So, napaka-importante ng CD. Yan din yung papakita mo for Tonic and Uno. Yes, napadalan tayo ng CD. Pati kapag mag-create kayo sa mga traditional bank, bibigyan rin kayo ng certificate of deposit. How does auto-renewal for Max Save Time Deposit work? If you choose to auto-renew your account, a new Max Save Time Deposit account will be created automatically. So, ito yung kesa 2 years, edi mag-auto-renewal na lang kayo. At least kasi hindi natin alam baka magbago rin yung term sa kalagitnaan hindi natin sure. So, maganda mag-auto-renew na lang after 1 year. So, ito pala yung fees. So, yung DST, yung documentary stamp. So, yung A, completed time deposit term. So, wala kayong babayaran na DST. Tulad ako, nakailang claim na ako. Wala kang binabayaran na DST fee. Kasi nga, shoulder yun ng bank kapag na-complete nyo yung term na pinili nyo. Sample dito, 6, 12, and 24. Pero, kapag hindi nyo siya na-complete, ito yung babayaran nyo. Pre-terminated time deposit account, DST will be shouldered by a customer. So, hindi naman siya ganun kalakihan, but still, meron pa rin kayo mababawas. Itong number 1, yung mababawas dito is doon sa deposit nyo. Ngayon, yung number 2 naman, sa interest lang to. So, cancellation, pre-termination fee, deduction from the gross interest amount earned. So, cancel during the first half of the term, 50% of the gross interest amount earned. So, cancel during the second half, 25%. So, bukod sa DST, mababawasan din ng 50 or 25%. yung interest nyo. So, better talaga mayroon kayong emergency fund or extra money before nyo pasukin tong time deposit account. So, yun lang in this video. So, I hope naliwanagan yung mga manonood natin pagdating sa time deposit ng CIMB, which is napakaganda, MaxSave. And then, next video pala mga savings dun sa 3 winner natin ng 1,000 pesos. Again, thank you so much mga savings. Medyo natagalan lang bago ako makagawa ulit ng video. But, again, thank you so much. So, next video natin, yun din yung for all digital bank natin, yung top interest rate for the month of January nitong nitong 2024. So, siguro January, February yun. Pero this week natin or Saturday and Sunday natin i-upload. So, congratulations sa 3 winners, and then sa mga hindi naman nanalo, for sure magkakaroon tayo ng mga other promo pa sa mga susunod na video natin. So, yun lang in this video. Thank you sa mga manonood, mga ka-savings sa panonood. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.